nanay yata tinanong kung nag-work.
Sabi ni nanay. Sabi ko kay nanay dapat na start.
Ay, huwag yung sinusungitan yung immigration.
Si nanay. Talagang nakakunod.
Nasa YouTube na naman tayo niya. Sigurado.
Ay.
Handshake.
It's
425.
425. So nakabayad na tayo ng tax. Tapos ngayon nasa check-in counter na tayo. Then after, magbabayad tayo na, ay hindi, money exchange.
Meron bang ano? Meron bang money exchange sa labas? Ay, pag-lusot ng immigration?
Parang wala. Parang dito lang. Tingnan natin.
Hello.
Sabi mo, time check.
Time check is 4:54.
4:54. And we made it past the bag drop.
Yep.
So we've already checked in our bags. Now we're at the foreign exchange. ATM. Diyan yata sa kabila.
600. Wait lang. Pahawak nito.
Lang.
Wait lang. Pahawak niyan. 600. Ay, siya na ng pera dito. Oh, ito. Para palang kulit.
Oh, Bank Negara, Malaysia. Ringgit. Malaysian ringgit.
700.
Pera din natin, oh. Ito lang violet, may...
Ito po. Ito po ay 10,000. 5,000. Wow. Parang full
Orange.
So, bali ang pag-print pa dito lahat ay 1,034.
Ano yung orange mo?
May sukli pa akong 5 pesos.
How much is that in Philippine peso?
That's, this is 10. Ni-round off ko na lang ng konti. 10,000 ang ano.
Whoa, 10,000? That's 10,000.
Parang pera din natin. Medyo maliit lang.
Medyo mas maliit siya.
That's 10,000.
Nasa YouTube na naman tayo niya.
Ha?
Sigurado.
Yan ang favorite ko pag in-interview mo si mama.
Okay, what can you say about the money?
It's super great.
What's the time, ah?
5:35.
35.
5:35.
Let's get the water, please.
Nakalampas na tayo ng immigration. Ngayon na tayo nakapunta ng Terminal 3 ng bukas yung shops. Ng karamihan ng shops. Kasi usually, ang biyahe natin gabi. Di ba, Nana?
Kagala na naman kami.
Oh! Japanese, no? Oh, may Shake Shack pala dito. Parang bago to. Shake Shack. Sa tapat ng Chatime. Ano, Shake Shack?
Hello. I'm drinking pumpkin spice.
Anong tinanong sa'yo sa immigration?
Saan ako nagtatrabaho? Ikaw ba tinanong ka?
Oo. Kung government.
Akong government.
Yun lang.
Hindi
Si
pa,
nanay yata tinanong kung nag-work.
sabi ni nanay. Sabi ko kay nanay dapat na-start.
Nay, huwag yung sinusungitan yung immigration.
Si nanay. Talagang nakakunot yun.
Ikaw man. Tinanong ka? Hindi, wala. Chat na. Si Joaquin, wala na. Anong oras na?
7:10.
Anong oras na tayo mag-board?
7:35.
For our 8:20 flight. So ano masasabi mo ngayon? Wala namang issues. Tsaka
Yes, flight 5J501. May we have your attention, please. This is not yet your boarding announcement. Once again, we are not yet boarding. The flight is currently full for tonight, and we may not have enough space inside the overhead bins for your bags. For seamless boarding and to avoid the inconvenience of having your bag intercepted during boarding, guests may voluntarily surrender their bags here at gate 103, and we will process them for check-in. Please be advised that you are only allowed to bring one hand carry bag that would fit under the seat or that would fit in the overhead bins. Thank you for your cooperation.
So we finally boarded.
Jolly good day to you.
Say hi.
Gala na naman kami.
In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat.
Dinner time.
Chicken charge. Same time.
You're everything.
Sino spaghetti?
May Jollibee yung spaghetti. It tastes like Jollibee spaghetti.
Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Kuala Lumpur International Airport in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. The local time now is 8 minutes past the hour of 12 in the morning, and there is no time difference between Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia and Manila, Philippines. The ground temperature is at 28 degrees Celsius.
We made it to Kuala Lumpur.
Welcome to Malaysia. Hi.
Welcome to Malaysia. Salamat datang. Oh, welcome to Malaysia. Welcome to Malaysia. We made it to Malaysia.
Yes. Punta kami sa abangan ng Grab.
Saan siya?
Ano oras na ba? Time check.
Ha?
1:15.
1:15 a.m. Ito po ang Malaysia Airport.
Ito,
At
car park, pick up. Ito Ito, level 2. Eh, kaya lang doon sarado na yun.
Bago mag-end, mag-left
Oo,
ka.
straight ahead na.
Dito tayo sa door 5, e-hailing. Pinto.
Non-waiting zone daw.
Ayun, nakalagay yun. Pinto. Door.
13 minutes. Ayan na siya. 13 minutes.
Mahal yung offer
Mahal yung
na
taxi. Oo. Halos offer niya sa akin 350. Parang nasa 4,600. Oo. Ito 100,
Hindi.
187 lang. So, halos kalahati. Ang mahal ng taxi.
Okay. Okay kaya? Mag-tour muna tayo. May kitchen, 3 kwarto, dining, and living area.